Assalamualaikum and good day. I'm Amirah and today we are going to learn on how to insert the pie chart. I'm going to generate the pie chart based on the scenario here. Mrs. Suhaila wants to generate a pie chart based on her students' marks for chemistry. She wants to track her students' marks by separating the marks by grades, but she doesn't know how to do it because she did not get a chance to learn using a spreadsheet. You need to guide her based on the following data. To do this, first click here and click on Sheets. Click blank and here's the spreadsheet. Next, build a table based on the data. Click on cell A2 and type in the title for the table. For me, it would be Chemistry Marks. Click on cell C4 to type the text, student's name, B4 to type in marks, and C4 to type in grade. Then fill up the student's name and the marks for each student. Drag the column A to make it larger. Then fill up the marks for each student. After that, select the dataset from A4 to C19 and then click borders, all borders, to make the table. For the grade column, click on cell C5 and using the nested if function, type if equal if bracket B5 is more than 89. Since A plus is more than 89%. Then continue it with the other grades. Then close the bracket for each of the function. To fill up the grades, click on this small square here and drag it down. The grade for each marks will automatically fill up. To make the table look better, select the marks and grade column and click here to make it center. After that, make another table. First, click on cell E2 and type the text count grade. Next, click on cell E4 and type in grade and fill up the grades. A plus, A minus, B plus, B, C plus, C, D, E, and G. Click on cell F4 and type total. Fill up the total column by using the COUNTIF function. Equal COUNTIF bracket C5 to C19. Since this is A plus, type in A plus. Close bracket. Continue to do this with the other grades. Select the dataset, click borders or borders, and make it center. Then select E5 until F15, F14, then click Insert Chart. Since Mrs. Suhaila wants a pie chart, at the setup, change the chart into a pie chart. You can leave it like this or change it into a 3D pie chart. Click on Customize and click on Chart Style 3D. Then change the pie chart title by clicking Chart and Exist Titles, Title Chart, Title Text. Type in Chemistry Marks Grade. After that, resize the chart and put it anywhere you want. That's how you insert a pie chart in a Google Sheets. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching this video.